The last time when I forged something was surprisingly nice, but that day I have less energy, less focus and less willpower, I guess. But I tried my best. This whole week was not very good for me. Again, I'm forging brackets from the round stock because I still didn't have any flat stock. Most of the time I spent on the forging, I was flattening the stock. And I'm starting to make points because I try to replicate something I couldn't achieve in the last episode. The fancy brackets. But I decided to cheat and make it a little easier for me and weld the pieces.